If you don't like complicated tech jargon but still want to know which AI is smarter, stick around. We'll make this simple. ChatGPT versus Gemini, with real-world answers. Let's start with the basics. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are advanced AI chatbots designed to answer questions, brainstorm, and help you with everything from homework to recipes. But how do they actually stack up? First, consider conversation skills. ChatGPT by OpenAI is famous for its friendly tone and detailed answers. It's like texting that one friend who always knows a little bit about everything. On the other hand, Gemini, made by Google, taps into Google search for up-to-date info, so it's great if you need the latest news or facts. But which one explains things better? ChatGPT often gives longer, clearer explanations, perfect for when you want the details. Gemini usually keeps it short and sweet, which is handy if you just want the quick version. When it comes to creativity, both can write poems, stories, or even code. Some users say ChatGPT is a bit more creative, while Gemini's answers tend to be more factual and precise. So, which is smarter? Honestly, it depends on what you need. For detailed conversations and brainstorming, ChatGPT pulls ahead. For the freshest info or quick answers, Gemini shines. The best part? Both are free to try. So next time you have a big question, why not ask them both and see which answer you like best?